In this video, we construct a triangle ABC where angle B equal to 60 degree, BC equal to 6 centimeter and angle C equal to 75 degree. We start by drawing BC measuring 6 centimeter. We take a ruler and draw a line segment that measures 6 centimeter. Label the end point of line segment as B, C, and we obtain a line segment BC that measures 6 centimeter. Next, we want to draw angle B that measures 60 degree. For that purpose, we take a compass and locate the center of compass to the point B and then draw a circular arc that just touches BC. Do not change the radius. Locate the center of compass to the intersection point of BC and the circular arc and then draw another circular arc. Join the point B to the intersection point of two circular arcs and we obtain angle B that measures 60 degree. Next, we want to draw angle C that measures 75 degree. We take a compass, locate the center of compass to the point C and draw a circular arc that just touches BC. Locate the center of compass to the intersection point. Do not change the radius, draw a second circular arc. Locate the center of compass to the intersection point and then draw a third circular arc, and then fourth, and then fifth. Join the intersection point of the last two circular arc and the point C and we get an angle that measures 90 degree. Angle C measures 90 degree. However, we want angle C to measure 75 degree. Observe that 75 degree lie halfway between 60 degree and 90 degree. So we simply draw two circular arcs, one and the other. Join the point C to the intersection point of last two circular arcs and extend it so that the line intersects the arm of angle B. Label the intersection point of those two line segments as A and we obtain triangle ABC with angle B measuring 60 degree and side BC measuring 6 centimeter and angle C measuring 75 degree. Once again, angle B equal to 60 degree, BC equal to 6 centimeter and angle C equal to 75 degree.